Korean restaurant just started recently by one of my nephews, and it's a good concept in a place like Kalimpong. You know, it's great to have such joints. You know, experimenting on Korean cuisine. It's a nice concept, and the young generation today, and especially in Kalimpong, Darjeeling, and Northeast, they like to, you know, try out Korean foods. Here we have. Hello, so this is the happening place now. Try this bab meow cosio. Interesting. Some of the Korean stars, I believe. Don't mind if I don't mind. So this is for the Korean barbecue, I believe. You need to, you know, cook your own dish, and from here the steam goes up. This is usually found only in the Korean restaurants. Menu here. Okay, and we will continue. We will be dining here tonight, so more on the menu I will be posting. Just hold on. So this is the same dish, but chicken one. Okay, this is the pure full Korean restaurant in Kalimpong. This is the Talking Buddha. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, like and share with your friends. We will be posting some more beautiful places of interest, food, travel, and leisure. Thank you. Okay, we have this, what do you call this? This whole dish? Huh? Samgyeopsal. Okay, this is a Korean roasted barbecue, whatever you call that. So this is the pork barbecue. Okay, and here you have to cook it in front of the guest, and then roll it is the side accompaniments there. What do you call the side accompaniments? That one. Bansang. So nice. This is done. Okay. We will do it. You go there. So we will do it ourselves. We just need to cook it and give us the space so that we can roll. One more side. This must be the kimchi, famous Korean kimchi. Okay, our menu has come. So this is Korean fried chicken. So nice, very well plated. This is cheese balls. This is not Korean, I think. Okay. This is kimba. This is Korean. Yeah, kimba. This is Korean. These are the side sauces and thing. Okay, beautiful. I like the plating, and you got to eat this, dip it in with this somi.